Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I didn't think I was gonna be making upgrades to my PC so soon. But these are two major upgrades I had to make this computer even better. As you know in my last video, I built an AMD Ryzen 3600 gaming machine. And I thought it was already good, the initial machine was great. However, there was some stuff that I prematurely chose that I really should have thought about instead of buying on an impulse with these certain parts. Now, in saying this, there was nothing wrong with the initial machine that was built. It's a great machine for people who want to get a start on PC gaming, or someone who wants to upgrade to Ryzen and see how it works. Just as someone who wants to game simply with a few budget constraints, I would recommend the initial parts list. It's a great budget PC if you don't want to make any upgrades in the long run. So I've upgraded the motherboard and the CPU cooling. I went from the MSI A320M-A Pro Max to the ASUS Prime X570 Pro. I decided on the X570 chipset and the motherboard due to, well, first of all, Aura Sync, because, you know what, I love my RGB in this PC. I have RGB this thing out to the max, from the motherboard itself to the fans. As I was saying, this motherboard's great from the X570 chipset. You know, it's the latest at the moment for AMD 3rd generation Ryzen CPUs. And this is also great for future compatibility. I will be able to buy a 4th gen Ryzen processor easily and it would work with the BIOS update. So the great thing about upgrading to this motherboard is, first of all, the more RAM slots I get. With the MSI A320 board, you are limited to 2 RAM slots. Well, yes, it might be good for people, you just get a single 16 gig stick and throw it in, or just have 2 8 gig sticks with dual channel thrown in. However, I wanted to future proof myself. I don't want to be ending up selling RAM sticks that want to upgrade to 32 gigs. I would much prefer to keep the current RAM sticks in there. And then if I really want to add 60 more gigs, I can. And with upgrading to a new motherboard, there's also substantial CPU improvements in terms of speed. AMD Ryzen scales its machines based on the power it has and the cooling. The MSI motherboard has a 4+2 VRM configuration, while the ASUS motherboard has a 12+2 power configuration, and is listed under Tier A on the Linus Tech Tips AMD motherboard compatibility forum. And I'll leave that in the description below if you want to check it out to see what motherboard you can get for the better price. AMD A320 chipsets were made to be cheap first and foremost. Since its launch, it's not really provided to give you great power delivery. So I figured for future proofing, because I do plan on upgrading to a Ryzen 7 4000 series processor, and I just wanted more future proofing. This X570 motherboard has PCIe 4.0, so I'm ready to go for any future graphics cards. For the same reasons, that's why I also upgraded the water cooling, because once again, Ryzen scales based on its cooling and performance. I was restricted to get an AIO cooler due to the age of the computer case. It was only able to accept the 120 rad. However, it's a great cooler and it's better than the Rave Stealth, and it also has a light on it, so more lights in here. I'm happy. And some other minor upgrades I did. I installed a M.2 SSD, got a broken laptop, added 5 gig NVMe, just threw it in there. And I also intend upgrading the other standard drive to an M.2 replacement too. And I've also upgraded to RGB. So, without further ado, here's some benchmarks of the system. Overall, this machine is pretty damn awesome, in both its configuration as with the A320 motherboard, and both its current configuration. Both of these configurations are great, don't get me wrong. If you just want something and you don't plan to upgrade it for the next 5-7 years, get the A320, but plan to upgrade, get the X570. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please, honestly, consider subscribing, and I apologise that there was no cameras on me doing the upgrades. I would have loved to do that, but I don't know why I didn't, so I do apologise for that. I hope to make out with more upgrade videos in the future. I will list both builds on PC Park in the book down below for your convenience, and I'll see you guys next time.